Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of JRJ2 Tech. And on today's episode, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the MagSafe Charger. Yes, the Apple MagSafe Charger that they announced and released a couple months ago. Currently, I am using a iPhone 12 Pro, so I will be demoing how to use this charger with your device. It's a small box that you have here, and inside the box, as you can see here on the back, there is the MagSafe Charger, which has a USB-C charging in, meaning you're going to have to plug it into a USB-C wall adapter. Here we go. Inside the box, so it's pretty much just the paperwork, and then you have the charger. The charger is not big and it's not heavy. It is magnets in the charger, magnets in the phone now, which allows the phone to charge and connect. I have a go-to case on my device, and the charger does not connect well with the go-to case. As you can see on the phone here, the charger is strong enough to hold the phone up, but with the case on, it will not hold. There's the USB-C in, which will go into the USB-C wall adapter, and it does not have to be an Apple branded adapter. I'm actually using one for my LG Wing. So my phone is completely dead, and as you can see, once we put the charger on, it begins to charge. And when the phone is on, it shows on the display that the charger is being connected. So take a look at this. There we go. So it will, show that the charger is being connected. I do not have a Apple MagSafe case, so and I'm pretty sure that actually lets you know that it's being connected as well. So right now I have a go-to case. It was like $19.99. Purchased it with my iPhone. It's a clear go-to case, and the case does not have the Apple magnets built into it, so the case is not going to hold. So as far as the charger holding the phone up, it will not hold because the magnets aren't built into the case. So the phone will just continue to slide off of the charger. So when I take the case off of the phone, the magnets built into the phone is strong enough to connect to the charger so it won't fall. But it will charge through the case. It just needs the Apple MagSafe case in order to be strong enough to hold up. So here you go. This is the Apple MagSafe Charger.